Morning, friends.
Morning.
So we are on day two of our July 2025 road trip. Had a good night's sleep at the Love's stop.
Yes.
RV stop. There is a little bit of road noise that you heard when you were outside, but when you're in the camper, you really couldn't hear it. Nope. Showers and bathrooms were clean. Shower pressure was a little low.
Yeah, a little
low. But we had a good night. We had dinner at the restaurant that's here, Bojangles.
Yep.
And just stayed in the AC for a little bit, working on the video from yesterday, and just had chilled at the campsite the rest of the time, and good night's sleep.
Yep.
All right.
Our next stop is 5 hours away, and it's a Waterfall.
Mm-hmm.
And then an hour and a half past that should be our next campground.
Yep. So crossing fingers. Hoping for safe travels.
Yep.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Just crossed into North Carolina. Woohoo! We're about to cross back into Georgia. There's the NC sign. We're back in North Carolina. We're going to be crossing back into Georgia in a little bit as well. And there's the GA Georgia sign. When we got to Dry Falls, the parking lot was full. There was no place for us to park with the trailer. The ranger was very kind and said we could park near the end of the parking lot, but it was on such a steep grade, we didn't trust it. So we opted just to continue on towards Whittier. Route 64 had lots of twists and turns, lots of ups and downs. We were able to make it through with our small trailer. Bigger rigs might have a problem. We did find a spot where we could pull over, walk down a small trail to see some rapids. Immediately after that sign is a mailbox and a gravel road. Take the gravel road. So here we go. Yep, there's the gravel road. This is the view from our campsite. They already have the tablecloth on. Nice little planter. There is the power and the water. And over there, I believe, is the sewer drain. Hear the water. We are right on the creek. Can't wait to go to sleep tonight to the sound of the creek.